Hello friends, in this video we are going to understand if you are experiencing a higher CPM of your Facebook ad campaign, then how you can reduce it or lower it without hurting your ad campaign performance. Well, there is a misconception between people. Many times students ask me that, sir, we are experiencing a higher CPM, then is it a good signal or bad signal for their ad campaign? Then let me tell you that sometimes if you are experiencing a higher CPM of your ad, then it's a good signal. How you can say this? So we will understand it using an example. For an example, I am running an ad campaign and I am experiencing rupees 900 CPM, and my ad campaign have served 1000 impressions and reach is of 920 users, and click-through rate CTR is of 5%, and number of link clicks are 50, and 4 website purchases I have received. Now let's take a second example. I have ran another ad campaign and its CPM is rupees 750 and I served 1000 impressions in it and reach is 935 users, and the CTR is 2% and number of link clicks is 20, whereas I have received only one website purchase. Now if we compare both the ad campaign, then we are receiving lower CPM in second campaign, but the second campaign have generated low sales or low website purchase. So basically it is not about CPM, it's about CTR and CPM both. If you are experiencing a higher CPM but you are experiencing a higher CTR also, then it's good for you. But if you are experiencing lower CPM and your CTR is also lower, then it's not good. Now the third scenario is if you are experiencing a higher CPM but your CTR is quite low, then also it's not good. So you need to focus on both the parameters. Having a higher CPM is not an issue, my dear friend. You should also have a good CTR with it. Then automatically it would get adjusted and your ROAS will improve. Sometimes you may experience a lower CPM and higher CTR, but that is also of no use. Might be Meta is serving your ads to irrelevant audience. People are clicking on your ad, landing upon your website, but they are not converting. CPM also varies on the basis of ad campaign objective. If you are running a sales ad campaign, then you might experience a higher CPM. But if you are running an engagement campaign, then you may experience a lower CPM comparatively. And if you are running a traffic ad campaign, then you might experience more lower CPM, right? But it doesn't mean that a e-commerce website start running engagement ads, because it would not bring sales what the sales campaign objective used to do so. So I would recommend you to consider CTR, the click-through rate, ROAS and conversion more over CPM. Now we will discuss how to reduce the CPM if you are getting good conversion over your website using Meta ad campaign. You must use attractive ad creative. For example, this one is ad creative is a boring one and this one ad creative is a attractive one. So most of the people will click on this particular ad creative because it is attracting, appealing, right? So automatically it will send a signal to Meta algorithm that people are engaging with this ad creative. Then automatically Meta will get an idea that this ad creative is good and people are engaging with it. Automatically it will distribute more. But whereas if you are using poor ad creatives and people are not liking it, people are not clicking over it, then automatically your CPM will increase. You can also add offers in your image ad or banner ad or video ad. An ad creative with no offer, people are less likely to click on it. But if an banner is having offers or sale, more people are going to click on it, right? So it will increase your CTR, and if your CTR will increase, automatically your CPM will reduce. You can target low tier cities as well. If you believe that your product or service can also be sold to low tier cities, then I would recommend you to run an ad campaign in low tier cities, because in high tier cities, for example, tier 1, tier 2 cities, most of the advertisers run ads simultaneously, due to which competition increase and Meta requires a good budget to be part of that particular auction, right? So targeting your ad in low tier cities where most of the advertisers are not running ad campaigns, you may see that your CPM will automatically reduce because Meta have lots of inventory over there, right? I would also suggest you to avoid running ad campaign during special occasions. You should not run your ad campaign during festivals, holidays, weekends, or month beginning, because most of the advertisers run ad during this particular period of time, right? Due to which a healthy competition, a high competition automatically gets created, and Meta requires a good budget to be part of that particular auction, and Meta have less inventory. You can also opt for video ad creatives rather than image ad creatives to lower down your CPM. Sir, but I'm getting good conversions with the image ad. Yeah, you will always get good conversions with the image ad because they are static. People can read it, right? But if we talk about the video ad creative, then yeah, you will experience a lower conversion, but you will experience a lower CPM also, right? And video ads are more engaging, right? People can understand by visuals. Now another mistake that most of the advertisers commit is they create a ad campaign with single ad set and single ad creative, giving no opportunity for Meta to decide which ad creative is good and which ad creative should be distributed more, right? So you should create an ad campaign with multiple ad sets and multiple ad creatives. In multiple ad set, target different audiences, whereas in multiple ad creatives, use different banners or videos, right? And let Meta decide which ad creative is experiencing higher CTR and which ad creative is getting more engagement by users. Then automatically Meta will distribute that particular ad creative more, and you will experience lower CPM. If you have created an ad campaign with multiple ad sets and multiple ad creatives, then you can opt for ABO, ad set budget optimization strategy, and let Meta decide which ad creative is getting more engagement, more CTR, and more conversion. Meta will automatically serve that particular ad creative more to the audience so that you can get good results in lower budget. Now I hope I have answered your question. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this, and if you are interested in learning digital marketing, then I have mentioned the course link in video description. Thank you.